My dear students of class 11 and 12, how are you all? I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah all of you are well. I am also well. Welcome to all of you today's class. This is MD Asghar Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Today I will teach you of your higher mathematics first paper chapter 10 integration exercise 10b and 10c. Today I want to discuss some mathematical problem of exercise 10b and 10c. Okay dear student, now we can start our today's class. Okay my dear students, our first question from exercise 10b, question number 48, integration of sin square x cos 2x dx. At first, here two trigonometric function involved with this integration, sin square x and cos 2x. We have a trigonometric formula, 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. We want to apply this formula in this case. Okay, so we need 2 sin square x, that's why half into 2 sin square x cos 2x dx. So half into 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x into cos 2x dx, and then half into multiply this by cos 2x. Now we can write integration of cos 2x dx and integration of cos square 2x dx. Okay, now half of integration of cos 2x dx and minus half integration of cos square 2x dx, and integration of cos 2x, we know that integration of cos mx dx is equal to sin mx divided by m plus c. C is our integral constant. Okay, so according to this formula we can write half into cos 2x is equal to sin 2x, here m is equal to 2, divided by 2. So we have another integral. So after complete this integral we want to use the integral constant. Okay, minus half into 2 cos square 2x dx. Dear students, this is cos square 2x, and multiply by 2 and divide by 2, because we want to use the trigonometric formula 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Here 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x by this term. Okay, so 2 cos square x, here x is equal to 2x, 4 sin 2x minus 1 by 4, 2 cos square x by this formula, here x is equal to 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x. 2x, here x is equal to 2x. Okay, then 1 by 4 sine 2x minus 1 by 4 1 into dx and plus multiplication of plus and minus is equal to minus 1 by 4 integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, 1 by 4 sine 2x minus 1 by 4 integration of dx is equal to x, and minus 1 by 4 according to formula of integration of cos mx dx is equal to sine mx divided by m plus c. Okay, according to this formula we can write sine 4x divided by 4. So already we have completed the all integral term. So now we can use the integral constant, which is c. Therefore we can take common 1 by 4 from each term is equal to 1 by 4 sine 2x, here is sine 2x, and minus x minus 1 by 4, then remaining term is 1 by 4 sine 4x, and then integral constant c plus c. Okay, this is our answer of this math. Now example 5 of exercise 10b, integration of cos to the power 4x dx. Okay, now we can write 1 by 4 into 4 cos to the power 4x dx. Okay, so 1 by 4 we can write it 2 cos square x whole square dx, and 1 by 4 integration of 2 cos square x, we have a trigonometric formula 1 plus cos 2x whole square dx. So according to the algebraic formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to cos square 2x and dx. Now we can write 1 by 4, then 1 integration 1 into dx plus 1 by 4 integration of 2 cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 integration of cos square 2x dx. Dear students, for integration of this portion is equal to 1 by 4 x plus 1 by 4 into 2, then integration of cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 2 cos square 2x dx. Because we want to apply the trigonometric formula 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. We can write this portion is equal to this half into 2. Okay, then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 2 and integration of cos 2x we can write sin 2x divided by 2 and plus 1 by 8 2 cos square x is equal to 1 plus cos 2x. Here x is equal to 2x and so 2 into 2x is equal to 4x. Then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 into integration of 1 into dx and plus 1 by 8 into cos 4x dx. Okay, then 1 by 4 into x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x plus 1 by 8 into x. Integration of dx is equal to x plus 1 by 8 we can write it sin 4x divided by 4 plus c. Now we can take a common 1 by 4 from each term is equal to 1 by 4. So x plus sin 2x plus x divided by 2 plus 1 by 8 sin 4x plus c. Okay, 1 by 4 x plus x by 2 it will be 3x divided by 2 plus sin 2x plus 1 by 8 sin 4x plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Dear students, now exercise 10c. This exercise is important also, and for this exercise you have need fundamental knowledge of differentiation. Here first question is 13. Integration of tan of sin inverse x root over 1 minus x square dx. Dear students, here sin inverse x and root over 1 minus x square are two functions, and whose derivative is another function. You have to realize it, and here the differentiation of sin inverse x is equal to 1 divided by root over 1 minus x square. So consider, you have to consider sin inverse x is equal to z. Sin inverse x is equal to z, and another hand z is equal to sin inverse x. Now differentiation, by the differentiation we get dz is equal to differentiation of sin inverse x 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now here 10 sin inverse x is equal to z, and dx divided by root over 1 minus x square is equal to dz. Okay, now integration of tan z dz is equal to ln sec z plus c. Okay, ln, Here z is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, now question number 18. Integration of ln x whole square divided by x dx. Now dear student, who is integration of ln x whole square divided by x dx, and here ln x and 1 by x, you consider the two function, and which derivative is equal to another function. Here ln x, derivative of ln x is equal to 1 by x. So consider ln x is z. So differentiation of this is equal to okay. Now here ln x is equal to z, so it will be z square, and dx divided by x is equal to dz. So according to the formula of integration of x to the power n dx is equal to z 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus integral constant c. So z cube divided by 3, okay, plus c. Here 1 by 3 z cube plus c. So is equal to 1 by 3. Here z is equal to ln x cube plus c. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, dear students, now our question number 23. Our question is integration of 1 plus cos x whole to the power 3 sin x dx. At first you have to think differentiation of any term is equal to the another term, and which term is the differentiation is equal to the another term. Okay, here 1 plus cos x, differentiation of 1 plus cos x, will get the sin x. So consider, you have to consider 1 plus cos x is equal to z. So now z is equal to 1 plus cos x. Here differentiation dz, the differentiation of 1 is equal to 0 and cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay, so dz is equal to sin x dx. Therefore minus dz is equal to sin x dx. So here 1 plus cos x is equal to z, so z cube sin x dx is equal to minus dz. Now minus z cube dz. By the formula we can write z 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 plus integral constant. So 1 by 4 z to the power 4 plus c. Here z is equal to 1 plus cos x. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, now question number 30. Integration of x square tan inverse x cube 1 plus x to the power 6, and here you have to consider z is equal to tan inverse x cube, because differentiation of tan inverse x cube we will get the other term. Okay, so let's consider z is equal to 10 inverse x cube. Now differentiation, by the differentiation dz is equal to, this is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Here x is, you think x is x cube. Again differentiation of x cube is equal to 3x square dx. Okay, then dz is equal to 3x square divided by 1 plus x to the power 6 dx. Now, okay, now here this is 3x square divided by 1 plus x to the power 6 dx, but here it is 3, not 3x square, it is x square. So we can write it by this way: 1 divided by 3 and 3x square into 10 inverse x cube 1 plus x to the power 6 dx, and 1 by 3, here 10 inverse x cube is equal to z, and 3x square divided by 1 plus x to the power 6 dx, it will be dz. Okay, here z 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. Here is 2 and this is 3, 1 by 6 z square plus c. Now 1 by 6 z is equal to 10 inverse x cube whole square plus c. Okay, this is our answer of question number 30. Okay, dear student, this is our today's class.